Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your Emirates app not opening, crashing or loading slowly? Let's try to fix it under a minute. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Try switching between them and restarting your router. Second step, clear cache or update the app. For that, you need to open your settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Emirates. Scroll down and go to storage. Then tap clear cache. If the issue continues, open the Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Emirates and update the app to the latest version if available. Third step, restart or reinstall. Restart your phone. For that, press and hold on to your power button and tap restart. If it still does not work, uninstall and reinstall the Emirates app. This often solves most of the bugs, and that's it. Your Emirates app should now work perfectly. Don't forget to log in again and check your flight details. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.